Humans are biological organisms. Things which look miraculous to us with our eyes reflect intricate processes occurring at a molecular level in and around the cells which make up our tissues, organs, and systems. Life is miraculous, but life and its characteristics are directly and inescapably the result of these cellular processes. These cells require certain conditions, for example temperature and pH, and nutrients, including water, minerals, lipids, proteins and amino acids and vitamins. And these requirements are not at random. They are the result of adaptation to certain natural environments over hundreds or even thousands of generations. Not surprisingly, an environment that provides the conditions and nutrients required tends to be an environment that allows humans to thrive. If naturally humans entered an environment that did not provide the conditions and nutrients required, natural selection would either eliminate us or select the members of our community most apt to survive, allowing them to reproduce. And so the story went on for millions and millions of years. The last 10,000 years have seen some radical changes, a series of technological and social behaviours adopted by Homo sapiens which brought about dramatic changes to the hitherto unbreakable host-environment relationship. The adoption of agriculture was truly a before and after moment in human evolution. An agricultural revolution. Agriculture allowed human populations to expand well beyond the natural carrying capacity of a location, build towns, store surpluses, and develop written languages. The technologies required for this generated in turn the need for further technologies, and human progress seemed to accelerate. Humans lived in this paradigm until approximately 2 centuries ago, when a new revolution occurred, the Industrial Revolution. Just like the agricultural revolution before it, the Industrial Revolution would dramatically change human life and experience, health, survival, and well-being. Further technology emerged, allowing humans to live in new, unfamiliar environments to which we were not biologically adapted. The Industrial Revolution and the technology that emerged after it has removed human lives and experience from nature. Humans no longer depend on their surrounding natural environments. Instead, humans have imposed human civilization upon their environment. Humans have dominated energy production, capture and storage, production of building materials and chemicals, developed methods of study to categorize and understand our natural environments like never before. Each technology solving a problem and simultaneously generating other problems requiring yet further technologies to overcome them in turn. Humans accepted, willingly or otherwise, the reality of inhabiting modern human environments. I am a medical doctor, and while an avid fan of anthropology and history, I do not claim to be an expert in this process. I do, however, see and work directly with the human consequences of this process, the chronic disease epidemic. The environment my patients live in generates disease because it is not apt for them biologically. The food we eat, the water we drink, and the light we are exposed to. Our sleeping and exercise patterns and the seasonal changes or lack of them. Our family structures, the chemicals that we interact with through our guts, lungs, and skin. The spectrum of light that reaches our retinas. The psychosocial paradigms that our consciousness and egos are exposed to. We are not adapted to these things. Technology seeks to bridge the gap between our biological requirements and the environments we now live in. If, as I postulate, the environmental changes constituting the modern human environment are the cause of sickness and illness, maybe we should look to these causes to develop solutions. I propose the term dysambientosis to refer to this maladaptation. In coming videos, we will look at the characteristics of the modern human environments and the damage it causes in human biological organisms.